How to turn off autoplay on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So this is a really simple thing to do. We just have to go on our YouTube app. Then I will show you two ways. And the first one, we just have to go on a video. So I will, and then from here we have to look at the top of the page. So here, as you can see, we have these three dots, and then we have the captions, and then we have this connect to a device, and then we have this thing. And if you click on that, the autoplay will be turned off. So now it's off. And then I will show you the second way. We just have to go out of here, go to your home page, and then we have to go on our profile, which is in the right top corner, and then go to settings. And then here we have the second option, which is autoplay. Click on that, and then you just have to click right here to toggle this off or on. So yeah guys, it's that easy like I showed you. If you like our video, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.